Hey guys, it's Mercedes. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are going to be unboxing my PREMIUMBOXYCHARM, and I got this in the mail yesterday and I was kind of shook, I'm not gonna lie. This is how my box looks right now. I have no idea how this happened, but I'll add some clips on this video to show you guys how my box looked when I received it. I literally just grabbed it from outside of my door and this part right here was completely wet. It seemed like something inside the box was broken and it just spilled everywhere. But it was really weird because everything in my box was okay and nothing was broken, but the box outside was full of some like liquid. So I don't know what happened, but I'm just glad everything in my box was okay. This is how my box looks right now, which is hilarious. But yeah, this has never happened to me, but it was FedEx and I just feel like they really don't give a so please just ignore this whole box. It is a hot mess, and let's just go ahead and get started on this video. So I'm really excited for this box, and I know I say that about other boxes, but this one seemed really good. The theme of the box this month of September is GLAM vibes only. And I received my little postcard here. The first thing that I got in my box is this HARDIE Brilliance facial oil. This oil retails for $55. This formula is crafted with potent essential oils that soothe and purify skin, antioxidant protection from free radical damage. So this is how the oil looks, and it comes in a glass jar. Before I try this, I'm gonna jump into the next product that I received in my BoxyCharm because I really want to use it together. The next product is this ice roller. I actually have it out of the packaging because I put it in my fridge because I really wanted to try it. So this is what it looks like. And it says that this ice roller is your new at-home facial made with high-quality surgical stainless steel. It helps calm inflammation, increase blood circulation, and alleviate sore muscles, tensions, and headaches. Recommended daily use for the best result. And this retails for $18. So what I really want to do is just try the oil and the facial roller together. So I'm going to try this out and let you know what I think. So I'm just going to take a few drops of this Brilliance oil on my face. I'm going to massage it first, and then I'm going to go in with the ice roller. So the oil does smell really nice, but I feel like it's really greasy for my liking. I would prefer to use this maybe during nighttime instead of using it before my makeup. I don't really like to put oils on my face before I apply makeup because I tend to get greasy in my T-zone. But just for today, we're going to try it out. And I'm just going to take this ice roller and I'm just going to like massage up. This actually feels so nice. So I actually really do enjoy this ice roller. I've never tried anything like this, but it feels so good on your skin. It just feels so cooling and it makes your skin feel like so refreshed, and I feel like it really like helped to seep in that oil on my face. So I definitely will be trying this again, especially in the morning when you're feeling really puffy. I feel like this is going to be really great if you put it in the refrigerator for like 5 minutes and then do your skincare and do it with this to apply your oils and your moisturizer. I just feel like it's going to give you like that refreshed look, and you're just going to feel like more awake, and your skin is going to really like take in all that product that you're putting into it. So I'm really excited I got this. This is a really cool thing to have. I've never tried this before, but I'm going to keep on using it to see if like my skin looks different or reacts different to the products that I usually wear. So yeah, this is a really cool product. For the next product that I received in my BoxyCharm this month is the MARC Jacobs Beauty DEWDROPS Coconut Gel Highlighter. This will give your highlight a shot of skincare inspired by Marc Jacobs' love of coconut water and the glow of youthful, radiant, well hydrated skin. This luminous gel cream instantly lights up your complexion, directly highlights skin, or blend with concentrated luminizer with foundation and primer to transform them into illuminating elixirs. A little goes a long way. This gel highlighter builds for the ultimate sheen. Sensual warm rose gold hue flatters all skin tones with the warm radiance. 5 form of coconut and provitamins B5 helps hydrate and nourish your skin. You do you. This retails for $45. I really love the packaging. I feel like it's so sleek and so nice. I received the color Tantalize 54, and let me show you guys. I think this is actually the perfect color for me right now because I'm really tan. So this is how the highlight looks. I'm really excited to try this. I like it because it's not too crazy. I feel like it's just gonna give your skin like a really nice sheen. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of the drops and put it in the high points of my face. So I'm gonna put some on my cheeks. And this is before I apply any foundation at all because I want the glow to come within. So this looks a little crazy. I know it's a little bit darker, but when I apply some foundation, I'm gonna get like a nice glow. And this is how it looks on my skin. I have no makeup on my skin right now, so that's how it looks. It looks very glowy. I also really enjoy the drops, the highlighting drops on my body. As you can tell right now, it's the perfect shade for me. I'm super tan right now, but it gives you like a really like nice like sheen. So I'm just going to apply some foundation, some concealer, and finish my face, and I will be right back with you guys to go over the last few products that I have on my box. I received an eyeshadow palette, and this is the ELOISE Beauty The Queen eyeshadow palette. And a description on this is that the Queen's palette possesses immense energy of life, feminine and strength. Each color tells a story. Each color holds infinite power and carries a unique narrative. Or highly pigmented colors, which are suitable for all ranges of skin tones, are inspired by the stories, tales, and legends of kingdoms, taking you through a journey in time from the past to the present. An era of grace and power. A queen lies in us all. So this is what the palette looks like. I really love the theme of this. Like the minute I put on nails, I can't open anything. Hold please. I'm struggling. It had to be done. Okay, so this is what the palette looks like. Again, it has the same design in the front, and this is what it looks like. It's so pretty. Like, these colors are really nice. I feel like there's a range of a lot of pop-up colors actually, which is really great. It brings a huge mirror, which is a plus. I think it's a really good palette to have and add on to your collection. I love the range of shades in here. I feel like you have every type of shade that you can create many different looks. I just brought you in a little closer just so you can see better. I'm gonna go in with this color Shiva, and I'm gonna take my Morphe E22, and I'm gonna take that on my crease. Okay, so far so good. The shadows are blending really beautifully. I love this color for a transition shade. I'm gonna go in next with this darker color. It's called Kingdom, and I'm just gonna take it mostly on my outer corner. Now, taking the two same colors, Shiva and Kingdom, I'm going to take the same shade and do my lower lash line with that. So now that we got that, I'm taking my Morphe flat brush, just a tiny brush like this, and I'm going to go in with this color. It's like a rose gold. This is called Monarch, and I'm just going to take that on my crease. Okay, so that is pretty much for the eye look. I wanted to do something simple, but I really do enjoy this palette. I think it's so pretty, and all the colors in here are so nice and different. I really love this color here. I can't wait to play with that. And I forgot to mention that the palette retails for $46, and I've never tried this brand before, and it's actually pretty good. I really like the message behind the whole inspiration of the palette. And I think the palette is so beautiful, and I think you guys should definitely check this one out. For the next product that I received is this Marc Jacobs Beauty Highliner Liquid Gel Liner, and this is in the color Lacquer. And this is a waterproof liquid gel liner with extreme long wear in Marc's signature black shade, featuring gel technology for smudge resistant, flake resistant, waterproof wear. This ink well liquid liner has the same amazing glide and color payoff as the best-selling original Highliner gel eye crayon. So I've actually never tried that Highliner gel eye crayon. I don't have a lot of Marc Jacobs makeup, so I'm really excited that I received 2 of those items in my box. This gel liner retails for $27. Wow, so this is how the packaging looks like. I love the packaging. I feel like it's so different for a gel liner. I love the style of it, how it's like round. I don't know, I've never seen anything like this, so this is really cool. So this is how the applicator looks like. I really do enjoy applicators like this on eyeliners. And let me swatch it for you guys so you guys can see. Wow, okay, that's really nice. It looks really black as well and really matte, so I'm really excited to try this. So I'm going to create a small wing with this. Okay, so this is how my eyeliner came out. I really do like this eyeliner. I think it's very dark. I think it's easy to work with, but I do feel like it dries and it feels like you can feel it drying on your skin, but it's not too much, like it goes away after a while. But while I was applying it, I did feel it drying, and it was kind of like a dry formula. So that's just one thing to consider, but overall this is really good. I really liked it. It's very dark and it was super easy to work with. Okay, so for the last product that I received in my BoxyCharm, we have the Milk Makeup Highlighter. And this is a dewy everyday champagne pearl hue cream highlighter stick that glides on for a natural glow. And this retails for $28, and it looks like this. It's like a stick. So this is how it looks. You scroll it up or down. Let me swatch it for you guys. So this is what it looks like. Ooh. It is super creamy, you guys. It feels literally like super silky. Like, it's so nice. So I'm gonna use this to highlight my skin. So I'm gonna take a little bit on my hand and apply it on my nose, on the bridge of my nose, and then with my hand a little bit on my cheeks, and take that a little bit on my body as well. Wow, so that is really pretty. I really do love the highlight, and it's such a nice consistency where it's not like sticky or too creamy, and it blended pretty well. It didn't move my makeup or anything like that. And yeah, so that is pretty much everything that I received in my BoxyCharm. Let me add everything up so we can see how much this month's box was worth. So we got 46. Okay, so the whole box retailed for $219, which is really great. I really did enjoy the box. I feel like there was a really great product. I love the eyeshadow palette, the eyeliner, and the dewdrops. I feel like those were my 3 favorites. That is pretty much everything, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe down below, hit that notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in another video.